I've loaded the sample project for this chapter named Events, and I've loaded the demo form named Demo Form, and here I've got a button and a list box all laid out already. I'll double-click the button, which, as you've seen in an earlier demonstration, should take us to the default event handler for this particular control. That is, the click event handler. It creates for us this procedure, button1_click. Now, the name of the procedure is not significant. What is significant is the code that connects this procedure with the particular event. For now, that's this handles keyword. We'll look more at the handles keyword and other ways of doing this a little later on. But for now, just buy into the concept that this handles keyword tells the .NET Runtime that this procedure handles the button1.click event. I'll put some simple code in here. Message box.show hello world, because apparently every presenter is required by law to do a hello world example first. There we go. We've got an event handler. Let me press F5 and run. Click the demo form, click the button, and as you might have expected, when I click the button, its click event occurs. The .NET Runtime calls my click event handling procedure, which runs the code that I placed there. Now, first of all, notice that the name of the procedure is inconsequential. I could just have easily called this thing foo, and it would have worked exactly the same way. Here we're passed two parameters by the .NET Runtime. It's the .NET Runtime that calls this procedure. They hand to us a sender parameter, which is a reference to the button I just clicked to get me here, and E, which is defined as system.eventArgs. That second parameter always must either be an event args or something that inherits from event args, and in this case, E doesn't really provide any interesting, useful properties for this event. When there are items besides these basic properties, then you can get some useful information out of this parameter. Back in our designer, let's work with this list box a little. Make it a little taller so I can see some more data in it. That's good enough.